everyone. I thought I would try the Choco challenge. So I get shipments from Fuego box every 3 months. I get 3 new hot sauces to try, and they're usually so delicious. I love all of them. And so they're doing something called the Choco challenge, where if you buy this chocolate bar, it's 50 meals that will be donated, and it goes to Feeding America. So I was like, oh, you know, a charity I love, and it's something spicy. This is all me. So I figured, let me give it a whirl, and it arrived. So this is really exciting. It says, it's for the pain-seeking masochist who wants to join the fight to end hunger, but also has no regard for their own well-being. I'm like, that's me! Ha! I'm gonna give this a try. The goal is for me to attempt to eat the entire bar of chocolate, film it, and wait for the sweet pain to take over, and just, you know, see how long I can go. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to, but I'm gonna try. And if I share it and post it on social media, I have a chance to win a year of hot sauce, which I'm all about because I love Fuego box. So, cool. White Lightning, white chocolate infused with 12 of the world's hottest peppers. So I figure, let's do this with you guys. You must be insane to consume this pain. Oh my God, okay. Last chance to turn back. All right, here we go. So try to eat the whole chocolate bar. It doesn't look bad, but the fact that it's got 12 of the world's hottest peppers in it, probably bad. Oh my God. It's like, wow. Oh. Maybe if I eat it really fast. Oh my God, my whole body. Wow. If I eat it really fast. Wow. That's really hot. I'm really warm. Okay. Still no water. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna. Everything's on fire, but if I wait it out, it should go away. I just gotta keep. Ooh. 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 Okay. Oh, it keeps coming back. It's like waves. Whew. Okay. Whew. That was a spicy burp. A spicy burp. My palms are really sweaty. Ooh. I'm shaking. I don't know if you can tell. I feel it. Okay. It's going away though. It's lessening. It's not like. Every time I burp, it hurts. Oh, it hurts so much. Oh, my chest is on fire. Ooh. Yep. Okay. It's hot. But like tolerable. Like my body is reacting to it, and my mouth is on fire, but like I'm okay. I don't need a glass of water. I don't need a glass of milk. It just feels like I had a really hot wing and my whole mouth is on fire, and my throat, my chest, and my stomach. The shaking stopped. Yeah, I'm good. I don't even need water. I'm like proud of myself, and at the same time a little disappointed that I didn't have as much of a reaction as some of the other people that have done this challenge. But yeah. The white chocolate part of it tastes really nice, and then the heat kind of comes and it completely takes over your whole mouth, your whole body. It's like almost instantaneous. I felt the hot pepper hit my tongue, and it just like rushed over my whole face. And then as I swallowed, it was like I swallowed fire. But yeah, I'm good. Wow. I'm proud of myself. I killed it. I knew it. I knew I could do it. I love hot sauce. My mouth is still on fire. Don't think it's not. It's definitely, but it's tolerable. It's a tolerable burn. It feels like I had something spicy. And I don't usually drink when I eat anyway. Just because I had the gastric sleeve surgery. So like, I always find that a little difficult to kind of do both. You know, I have to wait. So I'm good. All right. Well, 8 minutes and 14 seconds. I'm still on fire, but it's all good. Hope that you enjoyed this long video of me experiencing a very, very spicy chocolate bar. I'm really glad that I was able to help, Feeding America, hashtag end hunger, hashtag Choco Challenge 2020. Yeah, there we go. Thanks, guys.